Bosphorus tour by yourself. So I'm here in a station of Sultanahmet. So when you have tram access, so you can go, enter in the tram from anywhere. So I'm gonna in, and I will show you that where is you can see here is Eminönü, third station from the Sultanahmet. So we're gonna go. Guys, from here, Eminönü station just started. You can see the view of this way. There are many of fjords and cruise you can see. Eminönü station with Waterscape. You can see the Eminönü. We can see this station, Eminönü. Right. So from now we will move to the ship station, so you can select your yacht or ship or cruise, whatever you like. So guys, this is the station where you can get your tickets, and you can see the ship is just on the corner. It will be depart soon. So आप अपनी जो है ना इसको बॉस्फोरस की ट्रिप को यहाँ से अपना बुक करवा सकते हैं. अगर आप सुल्तानahmet पे अगर कुछ एजेंट्स के हाथों से करवाएंगे तो वो तकरीबन 20 यूरो 15 यूरो आपसे गेट करेंगे. सो इट्स गोना बी expensive than if you come here and buy tickets for yourself. So you can see the beautiful view of the sea here. You can see the timing of the cruise is going to be depart from here, and it's like 2:25, and its only ticket is just Istanbul card. It's just like 17 lira. You can see here. It is deducted from the Istanbul card. I think it's overseas there. So it's just a one card swipe you have to get for the Bosphorus tour. Don't pay extra like 12 euro or 15 euro or 20 euro for getting Bosphorus ticket. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna swipe my card. So let's see. Okay, 70.15. You can see here. Now I'm going to the Bosphorus tour. So we will see more things when we you can see here. We have a low battery, so we will catch you later. Guys, you can see it's seats. It's so luxurious. You can see here. Okay, we don't want to capture the girls actually. Okay, you can see it's so nice. So let's from the back see the view how it looks like. Okay, here we go. Here we go.